Hello, today I'm going to go over making your plunger bar a little bit more secure in your Swingliner V2. Now, I did purposely recently start drilling this hole in what I call the plunger bar receiver. I drill it to the exact size of your plunger bar. That way you can take it out, you can do whatever if you want to autoclave this, or just replace it and snip a new one off and stick it in there. It's just very easy to do so. The only problem you can have is if you're the type of person who wants to run your machine without a cartridge while you're switching out cartridges, which I don't really recommend. But for whatever reason, if it makes you feel better to have it more secured in there, we're going to do this. I like to use two hammers, or just something that's going to be solid and flat and ideally metal to hit on as a base. And I'm going to take another hammer and I'm just going to whack the end of this. And I put a little flat. If you can see, I put a little flat on there, and that just makes it a little bit wider. And we're going to stick it up in that hole. Get it started, and then just try to support it well, and then push down on that plunger bar receiver. And then I'll go in. You don't want to go jamming it crooked in there, obviously, or forcing it in a way that's going to bend that. But when you do that, now it's definitely tight enough, and it's not going to come out. Ideally, though, I don't do this. I use this machine all the time, and it's one of my favorite machines for cartridges. Definitely my favorite machine if I'm using cartridges, as long as I have a nice solid grip. And I prefer to be able to pull that plunger bar out easier. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching.